So on this tutorial guys, I'm gonna show you 3 ways to fix Instagram common problem. So the first way is go to the settings, go to the apps manager. On this page you will find all the apps that you have on your phone. So all what you wanna do is scroll until you find Snapchat, click on it, and then click on this option here to stop the app from running in the background of your phone, and then go to the data usage, disable all these options one by one and enable them all one by one. Go back and click on the storage or the internal storage, click on clear data, clear cache. That's the first way. The second way is you have to update your Snapchat in the Play Store or the App Store. And the last solution is you have to actually remove Snapchat from your phone and re-download it. Don't forget to like, subscribe,